Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy using bacon grease. First, you'll need about 2 tablespoons of rendered bacon grease in a skillet over medium heat. Once the grease is shimmering, it's time to add your flour. This initial step is key to building a flavorful base for your gravy. Make sure your ingredients are ready to go for a smooth cooking process, ensuring a delicious outcome for your meal. Now, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with the hot bacon grease. Continue whisking constantly for 1 to 2 minutes. You're looking for a light golden brown color, which indicates the flour has cooked out and the roux is ready. This creates the essential thickening agent and nutty flavor for your gravy, so don't rush this part. Next, slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring often as it begins to thicken. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season it with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your taste. Keep simmering the gravy for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally, until it reaches your preferred thickness. Remember, it will thicken slightly more as it cools. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary. This rich, savory bacon gravy is perfect over biscuits, mashed potatoes, or anything that needs a boost of flavor. For an easy way to keep your kitchen clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.